STL had a pair of entries earn high scores in the 2020 Lightwave Innovation reviews. The company's Stellar Next Generation Bend Insensitive A2 fiber received a score of 4.5. While typical G.657 A2 fibers have a mode field diameter of 8.5 microns, the Stellar fiber offers backward compatibility to G.652.D with a mode field diameter of 9.1 microns. This feature enables service providers to deploy high-density fiber networks that are service compatible with existing networks provisioned with legacy fiber. Said one judge, "Great product. It boasts an improved macro bend loss over other options, leading to the subsequent ability to deploy more fiber in the same spaces, and has possibly most impressively backward compatibility with legacy fiber." Meanwhile, STL's high fiber count ribbon and cables, featuring its Truribbon technology, earned a score of 4.0. Truribbon uses multiple fibers with 200 micron diameter with a 250 micron pitch, followed by the application of a flexible matrix material. The matrix takes a corrugated shape, leading to less space consumption than typical ribbon cables. This is a unique concept, using a flexible matrix material to ribbonize optical fibers with a 250 micron pitch and resulting in a corrugated shape that allows for improved stacking of the ribbon fibers, commented one judge. The resulting 30% reduction in stack height allows for significantly reduced overall fiber cable diameters.